Video 2, we're not done. Number of cubes we found. Find the volume. The volume isn't just 1/4, it's 1/4 cubed because it's just the one length, the width, and the height. They're all 1/4. Got it? So that's how we had to find that whole volume. 2,304 cubes, wow, over 1, because we're going to do fraction multiplication, times how many cubes, volumes of the cube is 1/64 cubic centimeters. Cubic centimeters. We're going to end up with 2,304, because 2 times 1 is still the same, and then 1 times 64 is the same. See what it equals. 2,304 divided by 64, 36. That's pretty cool. 36 cubic centimeters. Okay, you can do it. You are doing fraction multiplication. That's about it. For this problem, you're doing fraction multiplication. You can use your calculator, and then division. You can do it. Okay? Here we go. Let's see if we were right. Oh, what's that? 36. All right, moving on. Let's do this one. A rectangular prism. How many cubes? That's a lot of cubes. I saw the answer already. Let's take a picture of this and keep going. This is question 2, variation 2. If a prism has a length of 12 inches and a width of 5 inches and a height of 4 1/4, you could do this as a decimal and then just use your calculator. Let's do that first. 4 1/4, right? $4.25, $4.25, 4 1/4. So 12 times 5 is 60, times 4 1/4, 4.25, 255. That's the volume, 255 cubic inches. That little 3 means cubed. The exponent of 3 means cubed because it's 3 times. 3 length times width times height. Anyway, let's do it as a fraction now. 12 over 1 times 5 over 1, because those are whole numbers, times 4 1/4 as an improper fraction. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 1 is 17/4. Boop. Okay, so let's do it. 17 over 4. Right? Now we just do fraction multiplication. We just multiply the numerators. So 12 times 5 is still 60 times 17. 12 times 5 times 17 is 1,020. That's what I found. I used my calculator. 1 times 1 times 4. 1 times 1 is 1 times 4 is 4. So now we do 1,020 divided by 4. Use your calculator. Save some time. Make sure it makes sense. The numbers make sense. Why is it that way? How come it works? Ta-da! We found the same answer. 255 cubic inches. That's just step 1 of the problem. Let's keep going. We're going to need a lot of videos. Next is how many cubes are needed to fill the rectangular prism. You're still going to find the volume of this little cube. We already found the volume of 1/4 cubes. It's 1/64. You've already done that before. 1/64 cubic inches. We've already done 1/4 times 1/4 times 1/4. Okay? Step 3, we want to know how many cubes are needed. So now we're going to take the volume that we found of the container that they're asking to fill up with cubes. We're going to divide it by the volume of the little cubes to see how many is in there. That's what division is. We're going to cut it up into pieces, see how many cubes fit, right? But since we're dividing by a small number, right, smaller than 1, they're going to be able to put more in there, a lot more, not more than 255, right? So we do our fractional division. Copy, dot, flip. Keep, change, flip. That means we keep our dividend the same. 255